And alright, welcome back to Maru's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be taking you in how to set up V2Ray TUN VPN application. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment. If you get any problem, the comment section is open for all of you to comment. So let me set up today's tutorial by going to Google Play Store, and then I download the application. Go to download V2Ray TUN TUN. Then install this application on your mobile device. After installing this application on your mobile device, then open the application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend, don't forget to give us a like on this video. So this tutorial is for educational and information purposes, so users must first comply with local laws. Users must read their service providers' terms and conditions, and then after doing that, you're going to continue with the application. This is what you're going to do next. You're going to go to Google Chrome or any type of browser, Opera Mini, Phoenix, but I recommend Google Chrome, and then go where you search from and then type in first SSH vmes, that one. Then after you search, then you will be provided with the first in result, then choose that one. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Wait for a few seconds for the page to load. You'll be provided with the V2Ray servers, and then let me try to scroll down and then try to zoom in. This is an advert, so you come right here and view the advert. So we are going to play the advert, and for me I'll pause the video. Alright, the advert is over. Let us continue and press here where we have the X. So we are going to zoom in, and then I'm seeing right here I'm going to choose the VMX USA Virginia, this one, but you are free to choose a server that is near to your country's location. Let us continue. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us scroll down and try to zoom in like this. Then provide your username. Let us provide Marus Tech 1, and then provide the SNI bag host. If you want the SNI bag host, just head over to the comment section, comment your country, provide your networker's name, and then wait for a few minutes. I'm going to be online for the first 7 months of this video on YouTube, providing you with the SNI host. So comment your country's name and the network and wait for a few minutes for the reply. But in this case, let us first use www.google.com. Then we are going to enable this reverse SNI, and then come here where you have I'm not a robot. Confirm that you're not a robot. Wait for a few seconds as you share this video, as you like, as you subscribe. Then come here where you have create an account. Sorry, I'm placing wrong things. Let us head over here to confirm that we are not a robot. Then let us head over here to create an account. Then scroll up, then you will see such a kind of roaring. Wait for a few seconds for it to finish roaring, and then after you come right here, you have copy. I recommend my subscribers my viewers, my friends in all countries to copy the port 443. Then you come, try to place and then choose the copy. Then head over to your home screen, head over to Google Play Store, head over to open button and then open the V2Ray TUN VPN application. Now this is the game. Let us all come right there and then let us all come and choose the first option, import from clipboard, and then wait for a few moments and then you will see such a kind of a thing that your server has been copied from clipboard, therefore it has been pasted in your application. Then head over to this, allow the VPN service,